Hi guys, this is JJ Lux and I've got an unboxing today. So let me tell you a bit about it. I was online around 2:30 in the night, so just clicking through Louis Vuitton website and happened to stumble upon this item, and surprisingly I I couldn't help it, but I had to just buy it because I know how hard it is to get this piece. It literally takes about, well, some people it takes about a good year on the waiting list, and I heard so far that they're not actually putting people on the waiting list anymore because it's just like jam-packed. So I happened to be on the website and I found it and just bought it then and there. I decided to do the click and collect where you pay for it online and then you can go and collect it from a store that you want to. So I collected it at the Selfridges store yesterday. It took about like 3 days. I did have to call them up and actually double check whether I actually got it or not, because I was just like, what the hell? It is a woman's item. However, I know the resale value of this is like literally double the price. I've checked online and it's just like crazy how much these items are selling for. So let's get straight to it. So here it is. And it actually, I haven't unboxed it yet, so this is a true unboxing. It actually came like that. The essay didn't really put any of the ribbon on top of it, or you know, the gift wrap. So I was pretty surprised that she didn't do that. I did have to get her to actually change the bag that that went into it. So yeah, if I keep looking over to the right, it's just because the LCD screen is there, and you know, I'm trying to get used to filming without looking at myself there. Anyway, so it opens like that, and then this comes in a dust bag. I put the box over there. Well, look, here's the ribbon here, which was supposed to be wrapped. And this is the, let me just double check. What's this? There's a little card in here. Don't know if it's focusing or not. Let me just get it to focus. Just put that there. No, I don't think it's going to focus. But let's open it, see what it says. Oh, it's got nothing on there. It might be like a personalised one, but anyway, so here it is, and it just opens like that. So you lot guessed it. Hopefully, it is the Palm Spring Mini. So I know this item takes a very, very long time to get. So once I saw it, I just had to snap it up. So let's just open it this side. The zipper's really hard to open actually. I think you might have to get used to it. Open it down here. So yeah, that's the inside of it. So it comes with one strap and another strap. So you get two straps in there. And this is, I think, the care booklet. Comes in all different languages. And just the SKU, whatever that is. So yeah, I wasn't planning to keep it, but I know the resale value on it is quite, well, like crazy. So either I might sell it or I might keep it. I'll see how it goes. And I wanted to get another strap for it to put it from that side to that side, where I can just keep it as like a crossbody on the back, and see how it goes. If not, then I could just might have to just keep it on my shelf because it's so beautiful to look at. Try and close it. And the straps just fit in literally like that, if it does. I have to do everything down here. yeah, the straps are pretty easy to put on, to be fair with you. So that's the one strap there. I did see a lot of reviews online saying how the strap's quite long, so I haven't tried it on yet. I'm gonna see how it goes and see whether it is actually long or not. So it's like that. So yeah, I think the receipt is actually in here. Let me just double check. Yeah, so that is the receipt. Thank you for shopping with Liz Vuitton online. And it's the Palm Springs mini backpack and the exchange. And that is just a plain card again, maybe for a gift or whatnot. Anyway guys, it was just a quick unboxing of the Palm Springs mini. If you would like anything else to be unboxed, or maybe a few of my items at the back, please comment down below, and yeah, I'll have to give you also a shout out, and I'll put my Instagram on the bottom as well. Take care, bye.